What is VLSI? Welcome to this presentation on VLSI, or Very Large Scale Integration. In this session, we'll explore what VLSI is, its origins, applications, and why it's such a vital technology in modern electronics. What is VLSI? VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. It refers to the process of creating integrated circuits by embedding millions or even billions of transistors onto a single microchip. This breakthrough allows us to achieve high performance, miniaturization, and improved functionality in today's electronic devices. Integration of components. One of the key aspects of VLSI is the ability to integrate a massive number of transistors and other electronic components onto a single chip. This not only makes the design compact but also enhances efficiency and reliability, reducing the need for multiple separate circuits. Miniaturization. VLSI has driven the trend of miniaturization in electronics. It enables us to build highly complex and powerful circuits in a much smaller physical space. Thanks to this, we have seen the evolution from large, bulky machines to portable and lightweight devices like smartphones and tablets. Technological foundation. The roots of VLSI go back to the 1970s with the development of MOS, or metal oxide semiconductor, technology. This innovation set the foundation for modern semiconductor design, paving the way for today's microprocessors, memory chips, and advanced digital systems. Key applications and importance. VLSI technology is everywhere. It powers modern devices such as smartphones, smartwatches, computers, and televisions. Beyond consumer electronics, VLSI is also a driving force in the semiconductor industry, influencing the global economy. It enables highly complex systems like microcontrollers, microprocessors, and large-scale memory chips, all within a single device. Advantages of VLSI. Finally, let's look at the advantages of VLSI. First, it allows the design of highly complex and powerful integrated circuits. Second, by consolidating many components onto one chip, it makes electronic systems more cost-effective. And third, the high density of transistors improves performance, enabling faster, more efficient processors that power today's digital world.